But nowadays, the people who is my colleague, who is my follower on Facebook as well as YouTube, they call me, some of them, and also demand that Phulan Ankita is a good speaker. Please sir, next उसका कोई टॉपिक डालिए आप. ऐसा कॉल भी आता है कलीग से, सर्कल से. तो not to worry.
What is the right way to learn English?
What is the right way to learn English? As a speaker, what does she think? Because she become a speaker, so what is the matter? How did she study? What is the right way? If you wanna be a speaker like her, तो what is the right way to learn English? बहुत ही अच्छा टॉपिक है. तो बेटा एवरीबॉडी हैव टू कंसिडर. हर किसी के मन में होता है कि मैं स्पीकर बनूं. स्पीकर वैसे नहीं बनोगे. स्पीकर बनने के लिए एक मेंटर होना जरूरी है. हु इज देयर बिफोर यू, वेयर यू आर गोइंग, हु डज टीच यू. जो आपको पढ़ाते हैं वो किस टाइप का मेंटर है. दे आर एबल टू टीच यू और नॉट. क्या सच्चाई तो यही है. हमको स्पीकर बनना है और जहाँ पढ़ने गए वो बजर निकल गया, उसको खुद नहीं आता है, वो खुद नहीं बोल पाता तो क्या हमको सिखा पाएगा. तो दीज आर द मैटर. व्हिच टाइप्स ऑफ मेंटर, वेयर यू आर गोइंग, ही इज एबल टू स्पीक नॉट. So these all things will be considered. Okay, start now.
Good morning sir, and good morning to all of you my dear friends. My name is Phulan Ankita. Today I am very happy to be here and thankful to sir who has given me the opportunity to say something. What is the right way to learn English? Somehow or other I'll mistake, so please don't mind, because I'm not a big speaker. I'm saying something here as a learner. First of all, if you want to be a speaker, if you want to learn English, and if you want to speak English, then first of all, you have to consider English as a language, not as a subject, because we can't learn any subject, but we can learn a language, as I think that. After that, we have to find out a teacher who teaches English as a language, not as a subject, because there are lots of teachers here at Madhepura who teaches English, but a few of them who teaches English as a language, like sir who are sitting on the chair beside me. And then we have to increase our listening power. I mean, we have to absorb what is going on or not, because my sir always says that if you want to be a speaker, then first of all you have to be a listener, and without be a listener we can't expect to be a speaker. And then we have to develop our writing skill, because writing skill is a most important part to be a speaker, and without think we can't speak, as I think that. And for developing it, you have to write about that topic who you know very well, and about that topic, about that you can think much, and you can see that I am speaking about that topic whose I know very well, and also you have to do it. Then after that, mock call. Mock call is also most important to be a speaker, because it makes us fast. And then practice. I mean perfect practice. It is said that practice does not make us perfect. Only perfect practice makes us perfect. And then you have to practice again and again. After some time, when I used to ask to somebody what is the right way to learn English, then most of the people said to me, practice. Yeah, practice. Practice is most important, but practice is not enough to be a speaker. Now, I would like to tell you a story related to my life. In the first time, when I used to see that somebody can speak too much on any topic and I am not able to speak, then I felt very guilty on me. And after some time, when I understand, when I thought, and when I feel that how long you can speak and how long you are speaking is not important, but what are you speaking is most important, and it is the right way to learn English. these are my personal way and these are my personal thought, and I think that if anybody follow it, then he or she will be a good speaker, and also I follow it, and I believe that one day I'll be a good speaker like my sir.
You don't have to believe. You are a good speaker. What do you think about her? She is a good speaker or not? Speak boldly. I am not listening. What you are thinking? She is a speaker or not?
Yes. Yeah.
Speak boldly. Yes, sir. तुमको लगता खा पी के आया नहीं? You are also a speaker. You don't have to think that as we have to be a. You are a speaker. और इस बात की गारंटी दुनिया देगी. मुझे कहने की जरूरत नहीं है. क्या? If someone is there who is speaking like a speaker, so what will I say about her? She is also a speaker. But will be a good speaker. अगर इस सोच ली मैं स्पीकर हो गई तो ये ईगो है, ये घमंड है. नहीं, तब तो घमंड हो जाएगा. These are the point. कितना भी बड़ा बन जो कहना हम तुच्छ प्राणी, हमको कुछ आता ही नहीं. अब हम ही सोच लें अपने बारे में, आई एम द बेस्ट, देयर इज नो वन लाइक मी. तो क्या होगा? ये मेरा ईगो होगा. Depend on others also. You will think about me that which types of teacher, which types of quality do I have. आपके पास right होगा. You can compare other also. Then you can take the action who is better. नहीं, the person who is listening to you, they have right to say that who is better or not. If she thinks that yes, I will be a good speaker, then you have right to say. She will be a speaker or she is a speaker. Yeah, depend on you others also. Next, further, then what will you think about the future?
About the future.
What do you
What will I say about that?
I mean to say that what do you want to be in your future? What is your goal in life?
I want to be a journalist
Journalist. Oh, that's
and a good speaker.
Journalist is also need. Yeah, languages. Not to worry. Thanks a lot, beta.
Thank you, sir.